One man's junk can be another man's treasure. You see the condition of this place? It's pretty bad, right? You probably see houses like this all the time and just drive past, and I want you to know that you're missing out just by not knowing a skill set on how to flip these types of properties. Knowing how to locate property owners that own homes like this can not only help you put extra cash in your pocket, but you're solving someone else's situation that they don't know how to get out of. Hey, I'm Coach Darryl, and over the course of 8 years, I've been flipping properties that look just like this, and I want to teach others how to do the same. Let's just talk about what wholesaling is. Boom, someone wants to sell their house for $100,000. We get that under contract for $100,000, and we have an investors that invest in that particular area. They know the area, they know the potential. We can assign our contract for $110,000 to them. And so that 100 to 110,000, that's 10,000 in between that transaction. So if we assign the deal over to them at the closing table, we will make that $10,000 at the table. So what does this potentially look like for you? It looks like success. We're going to talk about how successful you can be. I want to show you what this could look like there. So let's get into some bank statements. So listen, right here, these are screenshots of the deals that we've done. We did $9,200 on a deal, and that same month, literally like the next week, we did almost $40,000. So that's like $50,000 in 1 month. So a couple months later, we did $14,000. The following month is $27,000. And in that same month, a week later, is $15,000. So just in the matter of like 3 months here, this is 6 figures just in 3 months. Just in 3 months. Let's make a deal. If you liked everything that you've seen in this video, if everything sounds good to you, you can see yourself doing this, please sign up. You will be able to take your real estate career to the next level. If you already have experience. If you don't have any experience, you will start and see where God takes you.